So I'm going to install all my rods in here in my engine. I got everything clean and oiled and ready to go. And this rod is fine. This one clears that, but it looks like there's a bunch of like casting shit here. So this number 3 cylinder, it hits right there, which is really weird. This one, so you can see it hits. And then this one, it stops there because I think it barely hits. But then this one over here, so I come over here, this one clears. And clears over here too. And then this one, number 2, clears. And it also maybe it hits right there, but I can't tell. But I'm pretty sure it's just like a lump of extra stuff right here. Just iron. Because look how clean it is here. Look how clean it is there. There's no extra. And then right here there's a bunch of junk. So it kind of sucks. I thought for sure I didn't have to clean all that up, but it looks like I do. Probably have to notch it just a couple millimeters right there.